if you want to be treated with respect, this company really, really does that. I had a pipe clogged with some construction debris, and I didn't know how bad it was. So I called Beyond Wow to come out and make sure that that drain was clear before I started tiling the bathroom. When he first came in, he was just very kind and said, you know, we've got a lot of different ways that we can approach this. Let's go talk about it. And it was really kind of disarming because I'm not used to that in contractors. When we talked about the options for it, he listened to the ones that how I wanted to try it first. And just considering the overall cost, I wanted to try the cheaper option first, see if we could get that to work. And my technician was completely on board with that, and he said he would do his best with that option. I think it took him maybe 20 minutes to clear the line with the first one, and we sat there and chatted while we poured water down the drain. And it worked just fine. And so for me, that was huge, and it really boosted my confidence to have somebody come in and be able to look at my project and say, yeah, this looks right, you're doing a good job on this.
Beyond Wow Plumbing.